1965 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is actually a 1965 body riding on a 1992 Chevy chassis, so more modern chassis as well as powertrain. 350 V8 power, so 5.7 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 700 R4, so automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note AC compressor kicks on, doesn't blow cold. And actually 65 would have been the first year that factory AC was available in a Chevy truck, I do believe. Take a look at the chrome bumper up front, colored keyed grille, chrome headlight surrounds. This is a turquoise pearl. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed, truck from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on American racing wheels, kind of the torque thrust style 5 spokes, disc brakes behind there, and the Cooper Cobra radial GT tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. By the way, technician that took a peek at this truck in our service department noted the brakes are like new up front. Rears are 90%, so you're good to go on the brakes. A few imperfections I found here or there on the paint. One down here in the bottom of this door. And try to get good pictures of those and have them in the still pictures too. Just a couple of little spots. Don't get me wrong, truck still's got a real nice look to it. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out that interior, start it up, let's hear it run. Some diamond plating in the box, wood bed, stainless strips, and that's also where the gas bill is, you can see up in the corner. This truck will also come with a car cover. Rear end is posi, 373 gear ratio. So the 5.7 liter underneath the hood is a throttle body injection with a mild cam. Does have cruise control. Cruise control works. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Tech also noted slight powertrain seep. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that is driven. And this is one. Get in, turn the key, go have some fun. If you like these mid-60s Chevy trucks, or maybe you just like older Chevy trucks or classic trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily. And the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Here's another spot where you can kind of see some previous work or what have you behind that paint on that fender. Again, nothing major, but just want to kind of point it out, give you an idea of the condition. Door panel looks good. So there's newer seats out of a mid-90s also, probably along with the drivetrain of this truck frame. So cloth seating, nice shape, no rips, tears, or holes, matching gray carpet. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Technician did have the radio working. As you can see, retro sound style radio. There's actually a service light right here for the OBD warning that popped up. But it doesn't stay on, it's just letting you know that it's worked. So it's kind of cool how they wired that in with the newer powertrain. It's like the amp meter is working. Fuel gauge, temp gauge, that was a cold start, I wouldn't expect it to be up. How's the stereo sound? Sounds pretty good. Speaking of sounds good, let's slip around to the back of this. Door closes nicely. It's got a little bit of a cam, nothing crazy over the top. Good sounding truck. All right, let me pause this a second, take a couple hands, get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and let Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Looks like the chrome in that front bumper is about like new. Good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay, aluminum radiator. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Newer style AC compressor, kicks on and off. Tech said didn't blow real cold though. Electric fan. Nice looking, tidy engine bay. So 1965 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box riding on a 92 Chevy chassis and drivetrain. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Chevrolet C10 in a turquoise paint color. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. The temperature has not come up yet, however that was a cold start. The oil pressure is 60. The fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. The battery gauge is right in the middle of the gauge. Our speedometer is working. Digital radio on the dash. The blower motor works, the wipers also work on this truck. The radio does work. Very nice carpet. Later models, cloth seats. There's the radio. That teal color carried through all the way to the interior. Sun visors in cloth matching the gray interior. Turn signals are working. Nice smooth ride from this truck. What's your favorite decade of C10? Is it this one? I lean towards the 68-9, right in there. They went from 67 to 72, but every time I drive a different truck, I'm kind of like, maybe this is my favorite. Brakes feel good. This truck, surprisingly, corners quite flat, meaning it stays pretty level in the corners, which equals good handling. Very smooth running Chevrolet, as a lot of them are. Check out this truck, a 1965 C10, and all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.